Hello, my name is Armando Wicochea, and this is my presentation of the final project for sociology class. So, our project consists on making a research report about why do students in Prepa Nahuatl cheat during the exams. My team was conformed by Regina Larracilla, Patricia Santa Cruz, Ángel Arámbula, Marian Franco, Sabrina Alvarez, Fernanda Villalobos, and me, Armando Wicochea. And our original question was, why do students in the Prepa Nahuatl cheat during the exams? To solve this question, we have an original hypothesis. That is that students cheat on exam because they feel pressured by their parents to achieve good grades, and therefore they prioritize grades rather than learning. So now at this point we have a problem, and the problem is that students in the Prepa Nahuatl cheat and they don't care about learning. Our hypothesis is that the pressure from parents is the main reason of this. Now, what needs to be done? Okay, so at this point we need to use the scientific method. First, we use the observation, and then we identify the problem, that is the problem of the students in the Prepa Nahuatl cheating, and then we formulate a hypothesis. Now we need to go to the experimentation. The experiment that we designed at this point was a very general experiment. We designed a survey in order so we can obtain general results and get a general point of view of the whole student population, get a deeper understanding of the problem, and try to find and propose some solutions. It comes the part of the result analysis that we are going to see advanced presentation, and then the final step, publish the results, and this is the step that we are developing right now. It's time to go to the result analysis using graphs obtained from our survey. Let's go to the first question, that is, do you pay attention to class? We use a scale using 1 to 5. 1 is I don't pay attention to class, and 5 I pay a lot of attention. The most common answer was that the students pay a moderate high level of attention to the classes, meaning that they give attention to the professor, but sometimes they get distracted. And now let's go to the second question. The second question was, have you ever cheated in a test? From the 57 answers, 82.5% of the population says that they have cheated on a test, and only 17.5% never cheated on a test. This is a very concerning question of the results that we obtained. And now let's go to the third question. The third question was, in which class do you think students cheat the most? This was a very difficult question because we need to generalize all the subjects that the students receive, but we generalize the subjects in 3 options. We generalize it in 3 options: science, foreign languages, and mathematics. And most of the students, 47.4% to be exact, says that the subject that the students cheat the most is science. Now, one of the most important questions to understand the problem. In a scale from 1 to 5, meaning that 1 is that you don't care and 5 meaning that is the most important, evaluate how much you cared about your grades. Well, this question was very important because we need to know the level of concern of the students about their grades, and most of the students says that grades are the most important and that they do care about their grades. And now this is one key question. So the question is, how many time do you use to study for an exam? And 38.6% of the population says that they study 1 hour. So this isn't enough time to prepare for an exam. So this is something that may be improved, and this is an area of opportunity. Now let's go to the last question. The last question was, do you think you prepare yourself enough for the exam? And the 52.6% of the population says that yes, they prepare themselves enough for an exam. Now let's see the conclusions based on our survey. We're right with our hypothesis based on the survey because we proved that 82.5% of the students of Prepa Nahuac do cheat on exams. So we proved that there is a problem. And this is caused because the students not studying enough for exams and not caring about having good grades based on their effort. They only cared about the grades because of the pressure. Now, here we have some critical thinking solutions based on a learning magazine. So the first one is create questions that require higher order of thinking. The second one is require that students to sing an academic integrity contact track to give them a sense of responsibility. Another solution is use varied question types. Solutions that may help is make subjects interesting and relate learning with our daily situations, because a lot of times we think like how this learning skill will help me in our daily life solutions. So relate the learning with these daily situations can help the students to be more attentive on the class. Now here are the takes of our work. The first one is that the students takes a moderate high level of attention. One and an area of opportunity is that 82.5% of the population that we interview have cheated on a test. Our take is that science is where students cheat the most. This is a big area of opportunity because science is the most, so it's the subject that we can more relate with our daily life, so it can be easier to make the students to be interested on this subject. The next one are that the students do care about their grades. Students don't use enough time to prepare. This is another big area of opportunity. Is that, and the last one is that the students think that they prepare themselves enough for the exam. Let's see another solution and an action plan. Well, the first one is that do different dynamics in order to a student receive the information in different ways. This can help the students to pay more attention and to receive the information in different ways and to save better this information that they receive. Action plan is that make the students to be truly interested in the things that they are learning and to apply the solutions in our daily classes. This will help, as I already said, the students to pay more attention, thing that will lead them to save more information created by the teacher. And another solution is that the teacher give extra lessons to the students that require these extra lessons, make different types of evaluation, not only exams, and make a practical test so the students really practice the learning that they are requiring. And this was everything. Thanks for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the video, the results of our survey, and that you understand better this problem and our solutions to resolve it. Thank you for watching.